So today's topic is should India have one child policy? Regarding this, we will discuss on its merit and demerits. So all the best to all of you.
Hello,
You guys can start.
Hello everyone. I am Abhishek, BTech second year from Electrical Department.
Hello everyone, this is Subham Kumar from second year in Electrical Engineering of Guru Jambheswar University.
Hello everyone, myself Neeraj Kumari, student of BTech final year.
Hello everyone, myself Deepak Gupta, electrical engineering from Guru Jambheswar University.
So start.
Okay, so starting the conversation, I will present my view. I think this policy, one child policy or two child policy, or matter of fact that any policy which tells an individual to control, to dictates an individual that how many childs there should be. I think it's a direct violation of human right, and we are living in a democracy, not in a despot regime. So I strongly oppose this policy.
Okay. I am in the favor of this policy because we need this policy. As we know that our country population is 130 billion, and after 5 to 7 years, we will cross the China's population. We know that the China is the most populated country in the world, and after 7 or 10 years, we will become the most populated country in the world. That is not good for us and for our natural resources. So this. Okay.
I think it should not be implemented in India, but two-child policy I think should be implemented because due to implement two-child policy, there will be remain sibling love and child will not go into the depression. But is a one-child policy, the children will go into the depression and it will face many problems that occur in our society. So, in my opinion, there should be a two-child policy because in India there are many states where two-child policy is implemented. Example, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. As we know, their literacy rate is very high and sex ratio is very good. So I think there should be two-child policy in spite of one-child policy.
There is one thing, Neeraj, which I would like to add is that currently there is no Indian state which is following the two-child policy. Yes, Kerala adopted this policy way back in history, but they discontinued that policy. And yeah, that was my input, which I like.
Don't follow, but rules by the rule, they can follow policy. As you know that in Kerala, suppose there is no any policy, but their literacy rate is very high and sex ratio is also in control. By awareness, spreading awareness, we can do that by not adopting the one-child policy. I want to say that. Yes. Next.
I also oppose this policy. I also oppose this policy because according to you are right, sibling is very important role, play important role in our lives. And if we apply this policy in India, then we all know that our India is not fully educated country. Okay, that's why so many people goes for Mhm.
I think,
We just can.
okay,
Hello.
I think you are in the favor of two-child policies or three-child policy because the mindset of the people have created that if why the parents should try to two-child or three-child because they want a boy who will take his care in a old age, and they will support him in the old age time. So it is a so I think it is a most important point for the two-child thinking, and the two-child or three-child parents should have. So I think that is not a good mindset for the when we go to the rural sector or the rural areas, we saw that uh, the peoples have 4 or 5 girls. After that, they want a boy, and they try to a boy child for his future. I think that is not good for us. Due to this reason, the population become large and large, and that's why we will face a competition. Today we are facing competition due to not the lack of the seeds or lack of the resources. We are facing the competition because we have a huge number of population that is present in that era or in that time. So the China, here I mentioned that the country China and the Japan, who implement the one child policy and they control our population. So I think you should follow this point, and you must support this policy.
Uh, Coming back to your point,
But
Abhishek,
don't,
you talked about China implementing the one-child policy,
Yeah.
and you must be aware of that fact that China discontinued that policy. The reason being because what one-child policy does is that there is 1:6 ratio. What happens is that, let's say, two couples who raise their children in the one-child policy regime, and what happens is that two couples would have two offspring, and let's say if they marry each other and they also bears one single child, then what happens is that that grandchildren is going to feed six members. So that forms an unbalanced society. That was the prime reason why China discontinued that policy. And in fact, it is one of the danger that China is facing, because their elder population has increased so much that it has become a burden over China. Any nation, for any nation, their youth is their asset, and their people who are above the working age are their liabilities. So it's not at all good for either for the economy or for the individual family. So that's why I strongly oppose this one-child policy, and that was the drawback of China, which they faced.
Here you say that it is not good for our economy and for our country. Why it is not good for our country? Yes, it is definitely good for our country because we are facing lack of problem due to the population. We will do not get proper resources or proper money or something as for the maintenance of the child. If you go to the poor areas or poor villages or something else, here 4 or 5 children are born by the parents, and they do not take care his child as a very they do not provide the proper nutrition to his children. Or by using this policy
but
for the girls, the mindset of the people should be changed by this policy, because if we support this policy, then the government should try to create the mindset of the people they support a single girl child. This is a main fact or main point that is the key point of this policy is we can support or change the mindset of the parents who says that the girls is girls is a good, but we should boy. Then what's the problem? Then by using this policy we can also support the girls born, and or to support the single girl child. You don't think that it is a good for this?
But Abhishek, you don't think so? It can create many other problems for that child. One child policy can create many problems. You don't think so?
How it create a problem? It is good for us, na. Today we can saw that the girls is doing everything that is done by the boy. So what is the problem?
You said girls.
First thing,
One child policy.
Okay.
Yeah, Shubham, continue.
yeah, I was responding to Abhishek by saying that you are not going to control the sex ratio by implementing one child policy. Either I will have a boy or a girl, that's a total random choice, and science has also established that fact. There used to be one time where people used to think that we can manipulate the gender of our offspring, but that is not going to happen. And I think the gender ratio problem is not going to be solved by implementing one child policy. So yeah, that's what I wanted.
No, I don't support you. You said that it is the what can I say that it is the choice of the parents. It is not good. You saw that a particular caste or a particular religion, he born more than 5 children. They don't think about he's a girl or he's a boy. They just continue to born the child, and this and they think that it is good for his generation, and they can they can create diversity in ancestral
Okay, so let's say Abhishek that if we
generation.
implemented either one child policy or two child policy, but how is that going to change the mindset of people who thinks that a boy is going to make them more prosperous as compared to girls? That's why this gender discrimination does happen. How is that going to change the mindset of people by introducing the one child or two child policy, or a matter of fact any other policy which dictates how many child a couple should be?
It can, we will know that the before 5 to 10 years, or not more than 10 years, we everyone saw that or read that the child Bhrun Hatya, or the girls should marry at the child age, or the Sati Pratha. They all are the big problems that were creating on the that were done by the boys on the girls. The girls face it, and today the time is changed, and girls do all the things that is done by the boy. Or this is a correct time to implement this policy, because if we implement this, then the single girl child policy will become a good, create a good awareness among the people, so that they can they can change his mindset. So and the government
No, Abhishek, I'm not agree with you.
extra expenditure or something else. If we create a
Sorry to interrupt. Only 1 minute is left. So please.
okay.
Yeah, so concluding this conversation, I would say that people think that I would say that by introducing education and improving the socioeconomic factor, only then we can improve the this population problem. One child policy and two child policy I don't think that is going to help, in my opinion. So on that note, I would end my speech.
Yes, I am still in my favor. Still, I am in the favor of one child policy for our country. So this is conclusion from my side.
But I am in the favor of two child policy.
Yes, it is a good.
But I am in the favor of two child policy.
Okay, if you are in the favor of two child policy, then here we can create a boundary or the line that if the parents were born the two girls or the one boy one girl, then they can stop here. They do not,
whatever, two child, two boys, but whatever, but there should be policy of two child at least.
Okay, Neeraj, would you like to end the topic in your way?
Yeah, in my point of view, I am not in the support of one child policy. I think there should be two child policy, so that siblings can share their love, and there should not many other problems created. So that's all from my side.
Okay, so this was a wonderful GD with you, all of you. Unfortunately, Deepak disconnected in between the GD. Anyhow, best of luck for the results. I hope one of you get nominated for the round. So Abhishek, you can stop the recording.